Bottom line is, wear those damn masks out there, socially distanced, and the sooner we do that, the sooner we're going to get through this crisis.
Sheriff Bill Gore says deputies will now start regularly heading out with COVID-19 compliance teams across the county.
We're not going door to door out there. There's enough complaints. These enforcement operations are complaint driven.
Gore says so far police departments in Oceanside, Carlsbad, Chula Vista, Coronado, and the city of San Diego have agreed to support their enforcement efforts. But officials in places like El Cajon have said they're not planning to enforce restrictions for businesses struggling to stay open.
We would like to get compliance from all our chiefs, but if they're not going to join with us in enforcement actions, if that becomes necessary, we will issue those citations by ourselves without their assistance.
The county says the goal is not to be punitive and they're only going after blatant and willful violators of the public health orders, but some aren't so sure.
There is actually no phone number on the cease and desist letter. There's no email address. There's no phone number. There was nothing for even us to contact to ask questions.
Chris Shaw of Urban Moe's Bar and Grill in Hillcrest was just given a cease and desist letter from the county,
saying that our open-air patio is not considered a patio and that we needed to close.
But Shaw is pushing back on that, saying this is an outdoor space.
When we were in Purple Tier before, the patio was allowed as a patio. So I really don't know where they're coming from. There was no explanation. I was not here. They just gave it to one of our bartenders.
A county spokesperson says while it may be a patio, Shaw's setup has 4 walls and under state reopening guidelines is considered indoor dining. Shaw counters that, saying these glass barriers are simply wind blockers. He's reaching out to the county to see what can be done.
Our restaurants have taken a lot of time and a lot of energy and money to make safe environments. And this is a safe environment. It's a patio. And so the idea that they could just send out all these letters, this is what's really going to put these businesses out of business.
Urban Moe's was one of more than 3 dozen businesses that got a county cease and desist letter this week. Those still open face a criminal misdemeanor charge and/or $1,000 fine. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.